11 years old. I'm a student in grade 6. ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះផាន់រៀននៅថ្នាក់ទី6មានអាយុ11ឆ្នាំ Today I go in to tell you about my family. ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំចង់ណែនាំអំពីគ្រួសាររបស់ខ្ញុំទៅកាន់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា This is my grandma. This is my grandpa. This is my dad. This is my mom. This is my brother. This is my sister. And me. My dad's name is Sarah. He's 43 years old. He's a farmer. My mom's name is Sopat. He's 41 years old. He's a farmer. My brother name is Kana. He's a student in grade 3. My sister name is Thierry. He's a student in grade 1. And me.